Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you two unboxing the RYKERs. They come in one big box, two of them at a time. Just wanted for you guys to see how it's done at the dealership. This is how they come. One box, two bikes. Everything in here. You have wheels, front wheels, you have fenders partially disassembled so you can put the wheels on. You have some of the panels in the boxes still. What do we have over here? Front fender, some other parts comes in the box. Like I said, two of them come in one big giant crate, side by side, just like that, disassembled, and the technicians will assemble it together in no time. As you can see, there is a lot of wrapping. They're trying to protect a lot of the parts from being scratched and damaged. The handlebars are sitting on the RYKER disassembled, as well as some of the panels are not here yet. The dash is upside down, you can see it here. Some of the wires are detached, possibly. And if you move to this bike, that's been partially already unwrapped. This is how it looks. Mounting brackets that holds the bike in place during transportation. There is another bracket custom made to hold the fender out of the way. And that's it. The RYKER is done. Just have to connect to the scan tool, check the updates, and go for a test drive. And that's it.